Hello everyone, this is Yashvi Chaursia. Welcome to my channel deutschdecodewithyashvi. So let's begin with Lektion 3, Lesson 3. In the first and second lesson, we have learned alphabet, vowels, number names from 1 to 100 and 2-digit number, 3 and 4-digit numbers. So if you want to revise that, I have my playlist. You can just go to the playlist and I'll be also adding the video links in the description to make it more easier for you guys. Let's begin. Lektion 3. Today we are learning months and we will learn weekdays. So let's begin. 12 Monate ist ein Jahr. It means 12 months is 1 year. Der Monat, die Monate. So der Monat it's just singular and die Monat is plural. So let's begin. Januar, February, März, April, May, Juni, Juli, August, September, October, November, December. Again, so the J in January, it's pronounced as year. So it's Januar, February, March, and the A with the umlaut, it's pronounced as A. So März, April, A here without umlaut, it's pronounced as A. April, May, Juni, Juli, August, September, October, November, December. The pronunciation are written in pink. So if you guys cannot pronounce January, February, you can just read out Januar, February, März, August, September, November, and December. So December, Januar, February, it's winter. März, April, May, it's Frühling. Juni, Juli, August, it's Sommer. September, October, November, it's the seasons. So let's start with 7 Tage ist ein Woche. 7 days, it's 1 week. Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag, Samstag, Sonntag. Again, Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag, Samstag, Sonntag. Woche, it's week, but it's their singular. It's in singular, so it's masculine. That's the reason it's singular. But Wochenende, it's plural. Wochenende, it means weekend. Weekends. Tag and Tag here. Tag, it's just masculine. That's the reason it is in the article there. We will learn articles in my upcoming video, so just try to remember whatever I'm just explaining you as of now. Der Tage, it's masculine. That's the reason it's there. And Tag, it's feminine. That's the reason it's the. Der, die, das, we'll learn in the upcoming video. That are articles. Wochenzeit, it means the week time. Werktage, it means the week. Wochentlich, it means weekly. Täglich, it means daily. Again, anything with the umlaut. Umlaut, it's O with the two dots, it's umlaut. And A with two dots, it's A. How we pronounce A in English, it's the same. It's Taglish. But if it doesn't has the umlaut, and for example, if I say Taglish, so this would be pronounced as Taglish, but it's a wrong spelling. But just for an example, I'm just writing it down. This is Taglish, but with an umlaut, it's Taglish. So that's the difference. Heute. Heute means today. The pronunciation heute, it's pronounced as A in German. That's the reason it's heute. Morgen, it's tomorrow. Gestern, it means yesterday. Vorgestern, it means day before yesterday. Übermorgen, it means day after tomorrow. Monatlich, it means monthly. And month's ender, it means month's end. Monat's ender, it means month's end. Again, we will go through this. Woche, it's their singular, it's masculine. That's the reason it's there. Wochenende, it's plural. Weekends, that's the reason it's the. These are articles we will learn in the upcoming videos. Tag, it's again masculine. Tage, it's feminine. That's the reason it's the. Wochenzeit, it means week time. Wöchentlich, it's week. Wochentlich, it's weekly. Täglich, it's daily. Heute, it's today. Morgen, it's tomorrow. Gestern is yesterday. Vorgestern is day before yesterday. And übermorgen is day after tomorrow. Monatlich, it's monthly. And Monatsende, it's month's end. If you have any doubt, you can comment below. Also, just type your birthday month in the comments. And if you want to reach me out through email, you can reach me out through email, or you can just follow my Instagram page, my Telegram page, and also if you want to join my WhatsApp community, the links are given below. Dankeschön!